How to fix unable to add card in Apple Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your unable to add card in Apple Wallet. So if you try to open your Apple Wallet and when you click on this add button and it's showing some kind of error message, displaying error message or giving you alert, then what you need to do is simply head over to your settings, and inside your settings just click on this general section like this. So once you click on general section, just click on this data and no language and region option. So once you click on language and region option, make sure if it's not working on your current country, just make sure you change it to another different country. For in this case, I have already changed it to United States. So once you do that, simply head back to your same application, that is wallet application, and just click on add button, and now you should be able to successfully add your debit or credit card successfully. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.